You will need the following tools and materials for your vinyl sticker project: a cutting mat, a cutting tool such as the trimmer or the scissors, the scraper, a weeding tool, your vinyl, and transfer tape. To turn on the Cricut Maker, open the top flap of the Cricut and press the power button located on the right. The tools that you will need for this project will be in the storage compartment. Lift up the lid, grab the tools that you need, and be sure to close the lid before beginning your project. Now you will cut out your piece of vinyl for the project that you are doing. You can use the trimmer that is supplied or a pair of scissors. For our example project, we will be cutting out a 6 by 6 inch piece of vinyl. To use the trimmer, feed the vinyl from the right hand side until you get to the 6-inch mark and use the slider to make a cut. Orient it the other direction to make your other cut. Next, get out the mat and then remove the protective cover. Be sure to replace this when you are done with the mat. Reference the Cricut design software to make sure you place your vinyl in the correct spot. It is usually always in the upper left-hand corner. Use a scraper to make sure that the vinyl is flat against the mat. After you send your design to the Cricut machine, you should see the double arrow button start to flash. You can then take your mat and feed it up to the first roller and then press the double arrow button to feed it into the machine. After a few seconds of feeding into the machine, you should see the Cricut button start to light up. The Cricut Maker will then go through a calibration process after you press the button. The Cricut machine will then start cutting out your design. Please watch the entire process just in case something goes wrong. When the cut is finished, the feed button will flash again. Click the button and remove your mat. Next, remove your piece of vinyl from the mat. Next, you will want to remove any of the vinyl that is not part of your sticker. It's good to start with the large bulk that is surrounding your sticker. Then use the weeding tool to pick out any small pieces in the interior of your sticker. It may be easier to get some of these pieces if you bend the vinyl just a little bit. Next, you'll cut out a piece of transfer tape that's roughly the same size as your sticker. Peel the transfer tape from its backing and place it on top of your sticker. Then use the scraper to make sure that the transfer tape is flat against the sticker. For this last step, you will want to have the item that you want your vinyl sticker on. Slowly peel the transfer tape away from the backing. The vinyl should come with it. Locate the area on the item that you want your sticker. Place it on the item and use the scraper tool to make sure that it is flat against your item. Then you will slowly peel the transfer tape away from your item, thus leaving the vinyl sticker. Congratulations, you have made your first vinyl sticker project on the Cricut Maker.